Yo, what is up, YouTube world? It's your boy. I'm back. It's Bobby Sneaker World. I'm back with another unboxing. As y'all can see from the title, this is something I talked about in my last video, my top 10 video that I was waiting to receive. I am here in the car. Hey, I didn't even let the mailman get all the way to the door. I was so excited to get this package, I had to meet him outside. So I met him at the whip. I got the package right here with me. So let's get into it. All right, now outside of the pictures that all of us seen online, the dope pictures that I seen, this will be my first time having these in hand. I've seen other people do reviews on these already, obviously. But I haven't seen anybody rocking these in public yet. So I'll be the first person I know to step out. Well, it's, a lot of snow on the ground right now, you know what I'm saying? Get me a little crep protect on my sneaks and get these together, find something to rock with these. But let's get into the box. As y'all can see, y'all know what these white stripes mean. No, that's not Adidas, but that's Nike.com. For those of you who don't know, that tape with the white stripes is definitely from Nike. So let's see what we got. Okay. Just for validation, tape might not be enough for some people. Nike.com. I don't know what yeah, my personal government information is on there, so I'm not gonna it's from Nike. All right, so let's get into the top of the box. If you guys already don't know, and if you didn't watch my last video, you can see that right there on the box, that BHM. If you don't know, that's Black History Month. Even though it's not Black History Month yet, they released all these sneakers on the 15th. They had LeBron's, KD's, who else they have? Well, I don't know. It's a few up. Oh my God. Oh. And before I show y'all these, I don't know if that snuck into the camera or not. Let's look what we got on the tab. Sorry about all the noise. You got size 10.5. It says multicolor. And those are the colors of the sneakers. Size 10.5. Personal pair. And what we have, folks, is, see if y'all can see that. That is the Kyrie for Black History Month equality joints. Super dope sneaker. As y'all can see, got the red, black, and green on the bottoms for the Pan-African flag right there. Super dope. Got the number 11 right there, and the outsole, and I don't know if it'll pick it up on this camera, but it says, probably not. It says fear is not real, and it got NJ right next to that. And I believe Kyrie is from New Jersey, if I'm not mistaken. So let's get into the sneaker a little bit. Obviously, I don't know what JBY stands for, but it's also right there on the midsole. So on the outside of the midsole, you got the red shark tooth going around, and this says equality all around the entire upper of the sneaker. The entire upper of the sneaker. We got the black Nike swoosh, all embroidered. You got your gold Kyrie on the tab. On the inside of the tab, I don't know, it's probably washed out. But y'all know Kyrie's super weird with all his like symbolism, and it got like You got a 3 and an I and 6'9". I don't know. Hopefully that's not some crazy, the earth is flat-ish. But super dope sneaker, man. Super dope. I can't wait to put this on. I can't wait to do a full review of this. Let me know in the description. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all picked up anything and how y'all feel about these right here. Kyrie 4s. OVE.